But if y'all look at my phone, y'all see these are not screws. They are some rivets, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm doing is just cutting off the ends of this and then drilling through, and it worked, you know what I'm saying? So don't knock it if it worked, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, man, here go the shards and stuff of it. And yeah, y'all can see where I was drilling. Then I used the flathead to pry it on off. Got it all out. So now all I do is pull it on out.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I fell, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pockets not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, we're gonna be doing some work, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna be installing anything, but we're gonna be doing some work. So y'all read by the title and everything, we're gonna be removing my rear window manual regulator. That way we can get it ready to go ahead and install the new belt on it, you know what I'm saying? The new window belt, you feel me? So yeah, I don't know, this video shouldn't be too long, shouldn't take me too long to get this done, because I still need to record at least one more video for today. That way, you know what I'm saying, my conscience, I'd be like, you feel me, I recorded enough at least for today. So like I said, this video we're gonna be removing the rear window manual regulator for my car. And I was gonna buy a whole new regulator, but I've been watching videos and stuff, and it's way cheaper for me just to go ahead and get a new belt to put on that regulator, you feel me? The belt is $20, and the regulators I didn't really look and see, but not even $20. The belt is $15 after tax, free shipping, you know what I'm saying? So I'm better off just getting the belt. That's all I really need, is just the belt. And y'all will see once I take off that regulator, y'all will see the belt, it looks like it's like chewed up, you feel me? So maybe I do need a whole new regulator. I really don't know, but once I get it out, then we'll be able to take a look at it, diagnose it as much as we can. If I do need a whole new regulator, then I'm gonna just cancel that order for the belt and just order the whole regulator, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we finna get that done. Y'all stay tuned. It's one thing I'm finna do with the charger. I'm finna order a new compressor, AC compressor, because my AC don't work in there, and it's never worked since I owned that car. And I got that car in 2017, and every summer, 7 years now, 7 years I've been riding with no AC. So yeah, it's definitely time, especially now since I'm recording, working on cars, and doing all this stuff with the cars. It's definitely time I go ahead and get that done, you feel me? So I've been pushing it off for way too long, and yeah, I can't do it no more, you feel me? It's way too hot for me to be driving that car every day with no AC, you feel me? So yeah, that's one thing we can be doing. Then we also gonna be painting the little parts under the hood today, you feel me? We're gonna be doing that today, but not the AC compressor today. AC compressor, I gotta wait for it to come in and everything. And the window regulator, we ain't able to reinstall it until I get that one to come in as well. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get this done. I done watched the video on how to take them out, so it should be fairly easy. I'll say that, hoping I'm not jinxing myself. But yeah, as y'all know, we already got the door panel off, so the only thing we gotta do is get them rivets out. So I will catch y'all once I get to the back of the car, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so before I finish up doing this, because I've already started on it, just because I wanted to get a little head start to see how easy and how hard this was actually gonna be. Now, like I said, I done watched a few videos on how to get these rivets out and all that stuff, and yeah, these rivets are way different than like what's in everybody else's box Chevy or other people's box Chevys, you feel me? So I'm finna just go ahead and show y'all. If y'all look here how long these rivets are, bro, it look like screws, but on the inside of here, let me see if I can get my phone to show y'all. Where is it at? Oh snap, I ain't got my camera turned around. But if y'all look at my phone, y'all see these are not screws. They are some rivets, you know what I'm saying? So they may look like they just screw in and out right here, but they don't. You feel me? They don't at all. So I'm having to saw off the end, because y'all see how far it pokes out. I'm having to saw off the end and then drill it through, because if y'all look here, I got one off and didn't damage the hole, didn't damage the regulator hole or anything. So here go the shards right here. So yeah, man, what I'm having to do is 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know it's probably a different way to do it, but everything I seen online, people was using flathead screwdriver, which I did to pry it all the way off, that way to get all the way off, and they using a regular little drill bit and they drilling it out. But they rivets don't come out this far, you know what I'm saying? They rivets are like sort of like this one, you feel me, flat, and all they had to do is just drill straight through. I can't do that. I tried to do that with the drill kept moving, and I don't want to damage my door panel, so, or the door frame I should say, the inside of the door. So I don't want to damage it. So what I'm doing is just cutting off the ends of this and then drilling through, and it worked, you know what I'm saying? So don't knock it if it worked, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, man, here go the shards and stuff of it. And yeah, y'all can see where I was drilling. Then I used the flathead to pry it on off, if y'all look back here. Well, let me see, get y'all the sun. Y'all can see the flathead mark. So yeah, this is the rivet. So I'm just making sure I don't get none of these metals around my wheel, because I don't want to damage my tires, man. These brand new tires. So I'm gonna sweep all this stuff off once I'm done. But like I said, man, that's the only way I can get it, and I'm not live or anything, so I can't just ask y'all what to do. So it's working. I'm gonna keep doing it. So I'm finna now finish the rest of these 4. Then I should be able to pull this regulator on out, you know what I'm saying? It should come on out, and I should be able to get this inside tape, belt, tape, whichever one you want to call it. I should be able to get that on out, but I'm not gonna mess with that until I get the new one in, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I went ahead and taped up the window as well, so the window don't just fall while it's not on anything. Went ahead and taped it up, and as of right now, it's pretty secure and strong. So yeah, man, like I said, don't knock it if it worked, and I'm not damaging anything. Everything's working fine. The only thing I'm doing is sawing off the end, that way I can drill on through. So let me go ahead and finish up, then I will come back to y'all hopefully when I'm done. So y'all just stay tuned, man. It's working. So yeah, it's working. Whew, man, when I tell y'all I done struggled, I done broke my drill bit, struggled with the saw and everything, it was just a headache. But if we look, y'all know I would've got it done eventually. We finished it up. It only took me about an hour to do this whole job, which is crazy. But like I said, it was just them 5, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, one of them. I took a picture of it so I'll remember. 1 here, 1 here, and then here go all the pieces. You know what I'm saying? Oop, my bad. All the little shreds of them rivets. We got it all out. So now all I do is pull it on out. So it should be fairly easy to install the new one. Y'all can't even see. Yep, because that's riveted on too. I'm not taking that off. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But this is what I need to replace, just this belt piece. Let me go and get out. Well, I'm just knocking everything over. Now I done lost my screws. I'll find it. I'll find it in a minute. But yeah, this tape piece or belt or whatever you want to call it, online some people been calling it tapes, some people been calling it belt. But if you look, no, you still can't even see. Honestly, I don't even know how I'm supposed to take this out, to be honest with y'all. But I guess we will see when that time comes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try and look up a few videos, see what I can find. I'm guessing I gotta pull these off here, try to get this piece off and then pull it out. Honestly, I don't know if it'll be easier if I just go ahead and get a whole new regulator. Like I said, I really don't know. But I found a video on somebody changing a manual window tape, which is this little piece. I found a video of somebody doing it, so I'm gonna watch that video again. And yeah, like I said, this wasn't too hard to take out. It was just them rivets which were stuck. So other than them rivets, man, this is fairly small and easy to get out. And like I said, I took pictures, so I will remember how I go back in. Got the tape on the window so the window don't fall down and break. What else? Yeah, I don't know. I'm finna go ahead and order that belt or the tape. And like I said, it's only $15, so if I don't know how to do it then I'm gonna just go ahead and order a whole new regulator. Then I have a new tape piece for whenever I'm gonna need one, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, hopefully this not too hard, like I said, to get. This just twist off. I can't even get it right now because I got only one hand. But yeah, I gotta figure out how to get this off of that tape piece. And then I guess I'm just supposed to pull the tape through maybe, and then rethread it through again. Like I said, honestly, I really don't know. So that's something I'm gonna have to figure out. I'm gonna have to watch a few more videos, and if I'm gonna have to take these rivets out too, I'm gonna just go ahead and order a whole new regulator, because I do not feel like dealing with that headache of trying to get these rivets out and then put more rivets in. And nah, I just do not feel like dealing with that at all. Not at all, bro. Not even gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, man, we'll get everything figured out. You know, maybe I can twist it a little bit and see. Hold on. I'm finna see if I can twist it a little bit. Y'all will be able to see what I was talking about. Oh no, this mug don't want to move. And I don't even feel like trying to mess nothing up at all. Nope, not even gonna deal with it. But yep, that's all it is, man. We got these out. Nothing else really to it, you know. That's all we're gonna do for today, because I don't have no belt, and AutoZone don't have one in stock. Advance don't have one in stock. So yeah, can't really do nothing with that. I gotta put my saw back together. Gotta put up the hand saw, clean up all this mess, get up all them shards, and find them screws I done lost. 2 screws in there I gotta find that goes to the door panel pieces. But yeah, man, we got everything done. Like I said, now we just need to get that regulator right. Maybe I can find a used one on eBay or something, and somebody, and it'll be in like 3 days, and then I'll just install that. I don't know. I'm gonna do some more looking tonight. Like I said, if I need to cancel that belt or the tape, then I will cancel it and just go ahead and get a whole new regulator, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to figure it out how to get that off. It looked like it'd be too much of a headache for me to even try to do. So I'm gonna see if I can find one on eBay or something. If not, I'll just buy a brand new one. See, like I said, I'm gonna just look up something. So yeah, I'm gonna just look up something and see what I can find. If I can find a brand new one or a used one, if they about the same price, I'm gonna just order a brand new one. You know what I'm saying? For like $20 more, I'm just order a brand new one. But like I said, I'm gonna just do some looking later on today, see what I can find, see if I can find one. And if I need to cancel that tape, then I will. I'm gonna rewatch the video of how to install this tape again. So yep, man. Other than that, man, we got it out. Like I said, all we're gonna be doing this video was taking this out. And while I'm saying that, I need to get my phone and take one more picture. Take one more picture. Alright. But yeah, we got that out. And being honest with y'all, this is my first time doing anything like this. Y'all know a lot of this stuff has been my first time just doing that. I don't know why my camera seemed like, oh, it was zoomed in. I was trying to say, I was like, my camera's not that close to me. But yeah, man, like I said, a lot of this stuff I've been doing on these cars been my first time doing any of this stuff. And I'm just bringing y'all along with me on this journey. So yeah, man, we're finna get ready to do the outro so I can get started on my next video, which is painting under the engine bay. So yeah, man, got that out. Like I said, I'm gonna be looking online later on, see what I really need to do, and I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. We got the regulator out, and like I said, I'm gonna be looking up some regulators and stuff later on after I finish recording all these videos I'm trying to record. So after I record all this stuff, I'm gonna be looking up regulators, and if I need to go ahead and just cancel it, like I said, if it's not too much, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that tape or belt, whatever you want to call it, for the regulator. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just buy a whole regulator and just install it that way. I don't know if I'm gonna use rivets. I think I'm gonna use some bolts, some nuts and bolts, you know what I'm saying? That way to be, if I ever need to work on it again, it'd be easier, because you feel me, them rivets, it's a lot you gotta do. You gotta drill them out and everything, you feel me, and then try to get it out without making the holes worse. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna use some nuts and bolts and then just do it like it, you know what I'm saying? Tighten it up with a ratchet and some, you feel me? That's just what I think I'm gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and I don't think I'm gonna use some rivets. I have rivets already. I ain't a rivet gun, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and use some nuts and bolts, you feel me? It'll be a lot easier on me as well, and it should still work out regardless, you know? So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. All we did really was take it out. Y'all didn't watch me because, like I said, I was struggling, and I didn't want y'all to just sit there watching me struggle. So I ended up getting it finally. Door panel and everything is still all, because y'all know it's a little project we still doing with that window, or that door I should say. So yep, that little project we still doing some stuff with it, so I'm not gonna put that panel back on just yet. I was supposed to have been done with this little project because I finished y'all know, the weather stripping kit, front and rear, finished that. So shouldn't have been nothing else I really needed to do with these doors besides paint this one, which I got some vinyl spray, and I don't know if it's gonna work because this is red. So I mean, I'm gonna try it. Y'all know I'm gonna try it. So even if it don't work out, I'm gonna have to wrap it anyways, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna figure something out. Hopefully it works out, but if not, then it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, I got a couple more videos I need to record, so I'm finna go ahead and finish this one out. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing together, and let's keep learning together, you know what I'm saying? Most of y'all already know how to do a lot of this stuff, but why not just watch me learn and struggle, you know? Why not? So yeah, like I said, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.